experiment because I'm in a wind that is incredible. As you can see by the side of the flap on my greenhouse, it is absolutely really rocketing here. Now we're hoping that we've dealt with the wind problem. If we have, you'll be able to hear me. If we haven't, I'll just put music on it. But I think you will be able to hear me. So here we go. This is a new kit that I've just built, but it's for my brother-in-law who wants it to use with a Trangia burner. So I've put a Trangia burner inside this, and hopefully even in this wind it's going to work, and I'm going to boil some water and make a cup of coffee, as is my want, and we'll see just how well this comes up. Now, as you can see, take that down slightly, you can see the new HOBO stove. It's got a Trangia burner in it, and I'm going to conduct a small experiment to see how long it takes to boil this amount of water, and it's quite a lot. I think it's very ambitious of me to try this, but I'm going to give it a go. So that is alright. Going to take some. I need the jets start to light up, which I'm just starting to do now, which is absolutely first class. I'm going to put the kettle on and see what happens. See how long it takes to get that to boil. So I'm going to give you the time now. That's been on there about 30 seconds. It is now 19:33. So seven 7:33. So and see how long this takes to boil. As you can see, it's really windy, and I'm hoping that the microphone cover that I've got on this is working, because if it isn't, you're not going to be able to hear me anyway. So, but as you can see, the cooker is really getting blown about, but there's a nice flame licking up underneath the kettle itself. So I am hoping that I can actually get a rolling boil on this within about 10 minutes. But only time will tell. Now, it's coming up to a boil, but it's been a long time. But it was a bit of an experiment to see if you really could, in a wind like this, like boil a lot of water. It's taken 20 minutes, and I chopped the Trangia burner up because it was starting to go out. So, and there's a shot glass full of alcohol in there, and it's lasted 20 about 20 minutes. So we're only doing abouts at the moment because this is otherwise it would be ridiculous, but as a Trangia cooker, I think if we had a screen round it and everything else, it would be really good, but we haven't, so it's taken a long while. But as a test for the microphone and a test for the cooker, the microphone's winning, we think. Hopefully. So yeah, just a few more minutes. We have a boil. Oh yes, a very good boil, very good rolling boil. As you can see in there, it's rolling away, but it's taken an awfully long time. But never mind, we got there in the end, and that is a lot of water. So I'm happy with that. And going to have some cups of coffee. You can see there. That's good. Let's take that out. Here's the coffees. Because I really don't want to get burned. And when I'm out, I use gloves anyway. So there we go. 1 cup of coffee, 2 cups of coffee, 3 cups of coffee. Oh, brilliant! How's that? And there's still a little bit of water left. So you'd actually get 4 cups of coffee out of that. That's cool. So I boiled 4 cups of coffee in. 4 cups of coffee in quite a little while. And put that back in there. And take the glove off. And there we go. We've made 3 cups of coffee out of that. All over the inside of the Trangia lid, but never mind. What's that? Is that a cup of tea? Yeah. Okay, put it on there and I'll do it. Yeah, okay. I think that. Yeah, that's boiling. That's still boiling. I won't boil it up. Put it over your hands.
No, I trust you.
Oh, only got a little bit of tea. It's better than nothing.
The bigger cups.
Yeah, so 3.5 cups of liquid we got out of that. That is really good. Boiling hot liquid, and it's just gone out. The Trangia has just gone out. So a shot glass of water gives you a shot glass of thing in a high wind gives you 20 minutes. That's not bad.
Oh, see, it went out as well.
Yeah, that's what I mean, because I used half a shot glass full and then I put another shot glass full in. So that's a full shot glass full. 20 minutes. Pretty cool. Oh, well, we are happy with that. So 0 pence. Thanks for watching. See you later.